Assalamu alaikum. Our FYP topic is design and comparison of high-rise building with equilateral force method and response spectrum method. Our moderator is Ma'am Sandira. Context. Introduction, objectives, scope, methodology. Description of structure difference between RSA and ELF's reference. High-rise buildings pose challenges in stability, safety, and performance. Equilateral force method ensures balanced force distribution, while response spectrum method designs structures to absorb seismic energy, safeguard occupants, and minimize damage. Response spectrum method. Dynamic analysis technique in structural engineering evaluates buildings' response to seismic activity, utilizes graphical representation of maximum response at different frequencies, designs structures capable of absorbing and dissipating seismic energy, ensures occupant safety. Objectives. The objective of this project is to design and comparison of high-rise building with equilateral force method and response spectrum. Literature. Review high-rise building structural analysis, including load calculations, material properties, and structural systems. Study equilateral force and response spectrum methods, their principles, limitations, and applications in high-rise design, considering recent advancements in optimization. ELF, equilateral force method, assumes static cantilever beams suitable for symmetric, torsion-free, and regular structures. Provides accurate results for short and highly symmetric buildings. RSA, response spectrum analysis. Considers mode shapes and modal mass participation. Captures natural response to seismic shaking, requires mode shapes and natural periods for analysis. ELF, equilateral force method, assumes static cantilever beams suitable for symmetric, torsion-free, and regular structures. Provides accurate results for short and highly symmetric buildings. RSA, response spectrum analysis. Considers mode shapes and modal mass participation. Captures natural response to seismic shaking, requires mode shapes and natural periods for analysis. Description of structure. The building is 11 stories above ground and has a 1-story basement. The building dimensions are width = 160 feet, length = 88 feet, height above ground = 110 feet, basement height = 12 feet. This is the table of code factors of UBS we have used in our project. This is the plan view of high-rise building. This is the structural model on ETABS. These are the results, which includes modal periods and frequency RSM mode calculations and some further detailed results of RSA. Furthermore, we have difference between the results of response spectrum method and equilateral force method. Below are some graphs showing the results. This is the equilateral force method column detailing. This is the response spectrum analysis column detailing. Conclusion. Comparing the two methods. Equivalent lateral force method. The lateral force varies based on natural periods and basic formulas for force calculations. Response spectrum method. The lateral force varies based on mode shapes, frequencies, and fundamental periods of different ground motion modes. Response spectrum method is more suitable for buildings with regular mass and stiffness distribution and additional height. It is used for structures with closely spaced frequencies and may yield lower response estimates compared to SRSS, square root of the sum of squares.